What's up, guys? Yes, now I'm gonna start a very requested video that everybody was sending me on Instagram. You wanted me to show you how to doodle like me, step by step. So we're gonna start now. First thing you wanna do, you want to start sketch, but I'm doing a big tiger with doodles around it. So I will start the tiger, and when I start the doodle, I'll will be with you guys. So yeah, now let's start. I have just done the tiger face, as you can see, and now it's time for the doodle. As you can see, I already did one here, this mini flower. And if you want to know as a sketch, we can say it, you want to do a flower doodle, you can do a circle, and then you can do eyes like this with a smile, like this, eyes like this, and then after you do the eyes, you can do eyes like this if you want with an angry mode. And then after this, you want to do a big flower if you want. I usually do 4, and I do with eyes like this because the flower like this will be very cute. So you can do like this. Also, you can do a circle doodle with the eyes like this. I usually do this one, 2 eyes, and then mouth go up, up, and then like mini smiley, and then I color it. So now let's start to doodle on the drawing itself. Now I'm gonna do the nice flower right here. Not flower, heart. There you go. We just done a heart, and yeah. Now let's move on. In the doodle, you can do any shape you want: flower, circle, square, triangle, heart, any eyes, any mouth. That's that's usually why the name of it is doodle. Any shape, anything you like, and yeah, let's move on. Now we're moving on to the all of the body part will be filled up with a lot of doodles. Here we did really small ones, and now we're gonna do a lot of doodles that will be next to each other, on each other. You will see. Yeah, as you can see, we're slowly getting started with all of this sketch. And yeah, now we need to keep moving. Yeah, new update. I have just upgrade the drawing a little bit. So yeah, couple more characters, then the tail of the tiger, and then we're moving on to the next step, which is inking. So yeah, guys, we've just done all of the doodles, as you can see, and now we're moving on to the tail. So let's get started. We'll do a nice one, goes down like this, and then onto here, all the way into here, like this. I'll catch you guys when I done all of the mini detail on the tail. So yes, guys, changing up the plans because I saw that I did a tiger on the really side, as you can see. So I'll be doing here a snake that wanted to fight him. So yeah, let's start sketch the snake now. As you can see, it worked amazing, the magic trick, and all of the sketch is done. So now we're moving on to not the paint, we're moving on to the black lines / inking. So let's get started at the big one, which is the tiger. So now we're gonna move now onto the second step at the doodles, which is the black lines. So let's get started. As you can see, guys, I have just started the black lines and I did the head, but all of the tiger will be taking a long time, so let's just finish it off. Oh yeah, as you can see, it worked amazing once again. Now we're gonna do the black lines on the snake, which gonna take really short. So let's start it. Like this, slowly. Slowly. If you want to doodle and you really don't know how to draw or something, or you know and you want to get better, you can copy my drawing and send me on Instagram or something, and I will be upload you at my story. Will be really appreciate that. And yeah, if you want to start a doodle, I recommend watch some famous YouTuber or me, like a Vex or something, and copy his drawing or doodles at the beginning, and then from there you can start to create. You can do square with eyes or a mouth, with anything you can do. Anything, just start with seeing his artwork and then understand what you want to do, how, when, And yeah, that's the best way to start to doodle. So let's continue here the black lines. I'm doing here a Gucci snake attacking the tiger, as you can see. It's gonna be red because all the tiger will be light blue. So yeah, see you guys when I'm finished. So yeah guys, as you can see, I've just done all the snake black lines, but I have just realized that tiger have tails, so I drew a tail to the tiger. And yeah, now we finished the coloring the black lines. Now it's time to color with all of the Posca marker, Copic markers, and the chameleon markers. So let's get started. Yeah guys, so I'm in the middle of the drawing, as you can see. So yeah, let's start drawing. As you can see, the colors are pretty nice, which is the chameleon markers. Really recommend buying them. And yeah, let's keep drawing. You can write me in the comments on my new post that will be up after I upload this video. What videos I should do next, and I'll be doing this. And for now, I'm gonna keep drawing, and yeah, see you guys in a bit. So yeah guys, I have just upgraded the drawing, as you can see. And now let's move on to this character. Slow, very slow. And then done this character. I'll be you guys when I'm onto this one. Yeah guys, so I have just moving into this character. So let's start. Very slow, cause I did a doodle really small. Slow. Slow. Now to the mouth. We'll take the red to do the inside, and the outside will be blue. Now onto the blue. And we've done this character. Really like this. The first time I'm drawing this one, and I really like this. So yeah, let's move on. So yes guys, I've just done all of the tiger, as you can see, and now we're moving on to the snake. So yeah, let's just jump into it. Yeah guys, I'm almost finished with the old snake, so I'll do it with you. Slow, very slow. And now I'm not gonna do a color for, I'm gonna do a pink of the tongue, as you can see. I'll do it slow because the tongue here is really small and we haven't done yet. Need to do another black lines on this because it's Posca and it will be get ruined. And then bang, we've just done tiger versus a snake. Turned out really nice. Now let's sign it right here. Bang, we've just done the whole drawing, as you can see. Right here. Turned out amazing in my opinion. Comment in my latest post on Instagram what videos I should do, and hit subscribe, like, share, and yeah, I'll see you next video, guys. Peace.